Daily routine. Anna is a student. She wakes up at 7 a.m. First, she brushes her teeth and gets dressed. At 7:30 a.m., she eats breakfast. She has toast and juice. After breakfast, Anna packs her school bag. Anna goes to school at 8 a.m. She walks with her friends. School starts at 9 a.m. Anna studies math, science, and English. At 12 p.m., she eats lunch in the school cafeteria. School ends at 3 p.m. Anna goes home at 3:30 p.m. She does her homework and studies until 5 p.m. After that, she plays outside or watches TV. At 6:30 p.m., Anna helps her parents with dinner. They eat together. In the evening, Anna reads a book or plays a game. At 9 p.m., she gets ready for bed. She brushes her teeth and puts on pajamas. Anna goes to bed at 9:30 p.m. What time does Anna wake up? Anna wakes up at 7 a.m. Does she wake up at 8 a.m.? No, she doesn't. She wakes up at 7 a.m. When does Anna eat breakfast? She eats breakfast at 7:30 a.m. What does Anna eat for breakfast? She eats toast and juice. What does Anna do after breakfast? She packs her school bag. How does Anna get to school? She walks with her friends. Does she take the bus to school? No, she doesn't. She walks to school. Where does Anna go at 8 a.m.? She goes to school at 8 a.m. Does Anna study chemistry? No, she doesn't. She studies math, science, and English. What time does school start? School starts at 9 a.m. What time does Anna eat lunch? She eats lunch at 12 p.m. When does Anna go home? She goes home at 3:30 p.m. What does Anna do after she finishes her homework? She plays outside or watches TV. What time does Anna go to bed? Anna goes to bed at 9:30 p.m.